Hi everyone. Today, I'll be conducting an experiment to observe how a ball rolls on a flat surface. In this video, we'll look at the effects of forces and surface on the motion of the ball. This will help us understand basic principles of motions, such, such as how force, frictions, and surface types can affect an object's speed and distance traveled. Let's get started. For this experiment, I have a ball and a smooth, flat surface. The smooth surface is important because it reduces resistance, allowing the ball to roll freely and steadily. I'll be rolling the ball gently across this flat surface to observe how far and how smoothly it can roll. By watching the ball's movement, we'll be able to see how force and friction affects its speed and distance. As you can see, when I give the ball a light push, it begins rolling straight line. The force I applied by pushing it was cause it to move. Because the surface is smooth and flat, the ball rolls without much resistance. You can also observe that the ball is moving in a fairly straight path, which shows that there isn't much to disrupt its motions on this smooth surface. Now, watch closely as the ball eventually slow down and stop. This happens because of friction. Even though the surface is smooth, there's still tiny bit of resistance between the ball and the table, which we call friction. Friction acts in the opposite direction of the ball's movement, gradually slowing it down until it comes to a stop. Let's try something different to see how a surface can change the ball motion. This time, I'll place a router surface on a table and roll the ball again. Notice how it slowed down faster compared to the smooth surface. That's because a router surface increases frictions, which create more resistance and reduce the ball speed quickly. Now, if we place the ball on an inclined surface, gravity adds to the motion, pulling the ball downward, so the ball rolls faster and travels farther because of these extra forces. To sum up, this experiment show how force, friction, and surface type affect the motion of a rolling ball. On a smooth surface, there's less friction, so the ball can roll farther. On the raw surface, high friction slow it down more quickly. And if we added an inclined surface, gravity helped us the ball roll faster and travel farther. I hope this experiment helped illustrate this principle of motion. Thanks for watching.